Hi guy, uh, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today introduce to you a Samsung phone. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. S20 Ultra. The screen you see is very beautiful. The camera, it can have a space zoom 100 times. That means you can take a photo with the distance about 1 kilometer. It still clearly. Okay, it's still clearly. You can zoom 100 kilometer. It's very clearly. And this phone I make from cardboard. It's just It's just a clay model. It's not a real phone. And if you want to make this phone, you can watch another video that I already upload in my channel. At that video, I show you step by step to make this phone. So now if you like this video, please press like, share, subscribe to get more information when I upload a new video. Thank you.